Welcome everyone to Programming for Juniors. Today I'm going to um, just navigate to different buttons of this very YouTube channel, and I want to introduce to everyone a new programming channel. There are a lot of programming channels um, for the seniors, but for juniors, there are very few in number. So I initiated this YouTube channel to teach uh, computer programming for global juniors community. All right, those who are interested, they can join this program and learn programming language step by step. Though this YouTube channel has been created for the juniors, but the seniors also can join irrespective of their ages, their educational backgrounds, or degrees or professions, and prepare themselves for future to join the tech industry if he or she really wants. If anyone is planning to change new career uh, or want to uh, join IT industry, this YouTube channel can be the best one for them, and you can learn for free. You know very well, uh, programming boot camps, web development boot camps, software development boot camps in the developed countries like Canada, United Kingdom, Australia, mm, even in America. Uh, Boot camps are very expensive. Just for 3 months, you have to pay uh, $10,000 to $25,000 just to learn front end web development. And if you want to learn full stack web development or software development, you have to pay more than this even. So this YouTube channel is for them mm, who cannot afford those expensive boot camps. Okay, and you can learn just following this YouTube channel. Not bad, right? If you even can learn in 6 to 12 months and it is free, definitely it's worth. All right. Uh, so let me show you how you can use all these video tutorials. I repeat, not only juniors, but also seniors can join this YouTube channel and follow the video tutorials, practice yourselves, and prepare yourselves for the IT industry, right? A web developer mm, usually starts their career, their salary is mm, at least $65,000 per year. And if you have 1 year programming experience, you can get paid $100,000. All right. So if you click on About page, you can read what are the programming languages will be available here uh, in coming days. Everyone should learn how to program as it teaches how to think, says Steve Jobs. Programming for juniors is not only for juniors, but also for the global community, irrespective of ages, educational backgrounds, and degrees, professions who want to learn, how to code and build a successful career in software development industries. What can you learn? You can learn front-end technologies. We say front-end web development, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, etc. And you can learn also backend technologies like Python full stack, including its frameworks, Flask, Django, and many more. And you can find some video tutorials on Ruby full stack, Ruby on Rails, and MeanStack, PHP full stack, Java full stack, and web automation like Selenium with Java, Python, and Robot Framework. For any queries, you can email wesocialyourbrand@gmail.com. I dream the kids who are learning to code here will lead Google, Facebook, Imagine, Twitter, YouTube, and NASA in future. All right. And in discussion session, I will update every single day. And if you click on playlists, you can find exact tutorials that you are looking for. Python programming for juniors. Python will be here, and definitely it will be in English. Remember, this YouTube channel runs both in Bengali and English. So if you want to choose English, choose that is written in English. The headline is written in English, is in English. Python programming for juniors, okay. Tips and tricks. Python programming, this is in Bengali. Prepare dev environment. You can find how to download and install necessary softwares and how to prepare the development environment in English. And same video you can find in Bengali, those who speak Bengali, and Git and GitHub in English, and there is also Git and GitHub in Bengali. Same programming for juniors in English and programming for juniors in Bengali, বাংলায় ছোটদের জন্য programming. So just click on playlist and choose what you really want to learn. Okay, and if you want to see all the videos all together, you can click here and you can find them here. Okay, and if you go to home page, even you can choose from here. You see popular uploads, Python programming in Bengali, and all the programming languages for the juniors in Bengali and uh, programming for juniors in English. Git and GitHub in Bengali and Git and GitHub in English. And in Bengali, how you can prepare the dev environment, and in English, how you can prepare the dev environment too. Right? And today we are going to start teaching Ruby programming. I will show you how to install and start learning programming in Ruby. And within 1 or 2 months after learning to program Ruby up to intermediate level, we will start learning Ruby on Rails. Ruby on Rails is one of the popular frameworks in programming in Ruby. That is the fastest framework to develop any web application, and one of the most popular frameworks. Okay, a Rails developer usually make more than $100,000 per year. Okay, so I hope you will enjoy your journey towards learning to code or program. Remember, success is not a destination. It is a continuous journey. Success is a continuous journey, not a destination. Wise man said. Okay, so you can learn whatever you want to learn for free from this YouTube channel. At the same time, if you want to make your learning experience more better, smooth, and faster, you can also join in the batch. For juniors, we teach during weekends, especially uh, one day class on Friday evening, um, Eastern time, and on Sunday evening, uh, practice together. So if you want to send your kids to learn computer programming with us, uh, they have to attend an online class. Or those who don't want to attend in the online class directly, even they can join. We can send the recorded class video, but practicing together on Sunday is mandatory. You can watch the video at home, but you cannot just uh, learn computer programming just watching video tutorials. You have to take action. You have to practice again and again. So practicing together is mandatory, mm, but attending in the class is not mandatory. You can watch the video at home, mm, whether you practice or not. But on Sunday, you have to join the class and you have to practice along with me. You have to code along with me. And for the seniors, we have also pages. You can join with us. And definitely, it will be affordable for everyone. Uh, for the kids, we are charging just $100 for a couple of months. Then it will be increasing up to double, maybe $200 per month. Now, requirements to join this program, actually, no requirement is there. If you can read and write English and switch on and off the computer, anyone can learn English. You don't need to have any mm, high marks in math, or you don't need to have degree. Mm, If you can read and write, that's enough. Anyone can start coding from day one. Okay, and for the juniors, those who are 8 to 17 years old, I believe it might take 5 to 6 months to complete HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstraps. We call it uh, front-end web development or front-end web technologies. And if they want to go for further advanced level of programming, it might take another 5 to 6 months to learn complete Python programming, its framework, especially Django, might take 4 to 6 months. And for the seniors, it might take half. Okay, so if you want to learn computer programming, full stack computer programming in any programming language, to learn front end technologies, it might take 3 months and another 3 months to learn the full stack, I mean backend. So for example, you want to learn Ruby programming and Ruby on Rails framework. So after completion of front-end web development and back-end development, you have become full stack web developer, and you can start working from anywhere in the world if you have just a laptop and internet connection. Literally, you can work from anywhere. Okay, so if you are interested or you want to uh, send your son or daughter to learn computer programming, you can contact with us and they can join from anywhere in the world. Okay, if they have just a computer and internet connection, anyone can join from anywhere and start coding from day one. Okay, and if you don't want to spend money, just follow this YouTube channel, subscribe this YouTube channel, hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video tutorial, you can get a notification. All right. If you love our YouTube channel and you want to support us, you can just click here and GoFundMe is there. Okay. And you can fund any amount, even $1 can make difference. If you want to pay by PayPal, we have also PayPal. And if you want to sign up for free courses, you can sign up and we will send you a 7-day course from where you can get um, fundamentals, web development fundamentals. You can learn web fundamentals, like a little HTML, CSS, JavaScript before you join the course here or the course online. Okay, so thank you so much. I appreciate your time and energy to watch this video tutorial. Thank you so much. Happy New Year.